Hello guys, welcome to this video on how to get the NordVPN coupon code. But before we get into it, let me quickly tell you what a VPN is. According to Google, a VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a tool that encrypts your data and masks your IP address to create a secure connection to the internet. The best and most advisable method of browsing the internet is by using a VPN, as it masks your IP address, which is a very important detail that should be private to only you. Now there are a whole lot of VPNs out there, but they have a lot of cons. But having tried out a lot of VPNs over time, the best VPN I will recommend is NordVPN, and that is because of the following: secure encryption, safe when disconnected, smart play, double VPN, and lots more. NordVPN has the best feature any VPN app can have, and they also have amazing pricing too. You know what is more amazing is the fact that, in this video you will be learning how to get the NordVPN coupon code in 2024, so that you will get 70% off on your subscription. All you need to do is click the link in the description below to get the link that will direct you to where you will get the discount. After clicking the link, the coupon is automatically activated. All you need to do is to proceed to checkout, and voila, you have subscribed to the best VPN platform at the best rate. You are welcome. If it worked for you, you can just come back and type thank you in the comment section.